Welcome to another video by Artistic Reefs. The other day, me and the wife went to a restaurant called Rainforest Cafe. It's located in Grapevine Mall in Texas. One of the cool things about this restaurant is they have some huge aquariums. The fish in these aquariums are absolutely huge, something you would find in the ocean. Anyway, I just wanted to share this video with you guys. Enjoy, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button and subscribe button so you can keep up to date on our latest videos. Until next time, guys, have a good one.